sorry to interrupt your retirement, but we need your help. A new agency has been targeting mines, schools, and banks. They call themselves DWIGHT, Dwight.
What do I need to do?
We need you to infiltrate their base and take out their leader, a former MI6, CIA, and Russian Special Forces. She calls herself Silverfinger.
What's in it for me, eh?
We got money and revenge.
Revenge for what?
Killing your baby albino penguin. Love.
I'm in.
Welcome to the Armory, Agent Scar. It will be a pleasure working with you.
Yes. Now, what will I be suited with on our mission?
With the latest material money can buy you. The Nerf gun with the U.
This isn't Nerf. Whatever do.
It's better. That thing was hell to me.
And you are?
I am MG. I'm known as the intel guy around these parts.
Well, it'll be a pleasure working with you.
Your little brother would agree too, boy.
Want to say that again?
Sorry.
Secret hideout will be at a boulder.
Yeah.
Speak up a bit. MG, where are we going?
Just look around for Silverfinger.
I see one of her men at the snack bar.
Well, you were partially right. That's not only her henchman, but her right hand. Goes by the name Teller. This guy was an ex-Navy SEAL.
What happened?
Says he was forced to resign after he attempted to fight one of his higher-ranking officials. If he's here, then Silver must be around. So stay on guard and not get spotted.
Got it, MG. MG, I got eyes on. Wait, that's Silverfinger. Let's go, Remo.
Finally found me, Scar. Hope you're ready for this! Are you okay, Scar?
Yeah, I think we got her. Let's get back inside. I guess we got her.
Well, it isn't Agent Scar and Reaver. I heard you guys took care of Silverfinger.
Yes, we did, sir.
So, as reparations for any damage caused and as thanks, we have earned you a gift to a party, a special party, which also happens to be your next mission. We have intelligence, we received intelligence saying that one of our former agents has gone rogue. We need you to find him and take him out.
Got it, boss.
It's been a pleasure working with you.